Alright, this is why I don't have nice pictures. I mean, the views are just too awesome. You forget the person is on the background too. Alright, so we're here now at Malahat SkyWalk, Vancouver Island's newest attraction. So we'll check it out and see if this is a attraction that's worth coming over. There we are on our way to our skywalk. Obviously you want to come here on a weekend, but if the weekend cannot avoid you, then you gotta buy your tickets early because it's a jam-packed full of people around here. And this is where you'll be checking out your tickets if you already bought them.
Yeah, okay.
Start with that.
Perfect.
Oh, yes.
There's a dog on display here too.
Sorry. I was reading blog posts.
So this skywalk just opened about 3 weeks ago at the time I'm recording this video. So if you do get a chance, I think this is a beautiful place to go. Of course, masks are recommended, but if you want to keep yourself safe, you want to put on some. And right from the get-go, you're greeted with a sea of trees all around you. So you get to experience a lot of nature around these parts. And you get to see views like this.
These are what you could see.
This is proof that we are not alone in this universe.
Yes, whatever he said.
You get to see incredible views of, I have no idea where they are, but just feel free to check them out on the map as we go. Here we are, the crown jewel of the skywalk. So we're making our entrance now to the skywalk. Alright, first impressions.
Really good.
Beautiful view, eh?
Quite worth it.
Yep. And that's our view right there. Just one of them. So there really isn't any goal, objective, or mission that you want to accomplish here. I think the main idea is you just want to... Okay, that's not me screaming, okay? Okay. Reason for the scream is someone just took a slide, which you can actually take, and we'll show you later how that works. But basically what people are doing here is just going all the way up. I see them spotted. I'm just walking around. I think we're at the 3rd or 4th floor of this. It's probably like 8 stories high or something. And that's the view of whichever lake this is. This is the most commonly seen lake around here. Let me know in the comments what this lake is, because I have no idea, but it looks really beautiful. So this right here is where you're going to take the plunge or the slide. I heard it's about 20 meters down or something like that. But given that the line's too long right now for an afternoon like this, I don't know if it's even worth it. But we'll see. Maybe we can still make it. And we're finally on the top floor of the skywalk. It's been quite a journey. Seems like a lot of people are hanging out on here. So I heard this over 250 meters above sea level. And I'm sure the views are gonna be way worth it than the lower floors. No smoking. Oh, and you got an adventure net too, where technically you can't be jumping all along. What do you think? We can't do the slides, eh?
No, cannot.
Yeah, maybe we'll just jump on the net below and I'll show you what that looks like. And about time to release my inner kid. Adventure net! Woohoo! That's a cool concept. There's literally nothing standing between me and this rope. That's not me screaming, okay? No one's in danger, okay? No one's in danger. I mean, this adventure net's pretty wholesome though. So this is where I conclude that I've finally seen most of the United States for the first time in over 2 years. I'm afraid of heights, but heights are afraid of me. How does that work? Alright, we're on the way down. It's gonna be the same route as before. Obviously, we don't want to do the slides due to time constraints, but next time we'll probably do it because I know it's gonna be fun. And this is where people go in for the slide. So general consensus, I think it's definitely worth it.
Yep. 100%.
It's worth the walk. It's not even that tiring. And if you do get a chance to do the slide, you gotta do it. That's our take for Malahat SkyWalk. It's a fairly brand new attraction. And if you've been to the SkyWalk already, let us know too. So maybe someday we'll come back and do the slide for real.